हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के ऑल फिलअप्स इन वन प्लेस। सारे फिलअप्स करते हैं हम माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के, जो बोर्ड पर्पस से मैंने रेडी किए हैं। फर्स्ट फिलअप्स है प्रॉब्लम ऑफ चॉइस इज़ द बेसिस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम। बेसिस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस इन कंसर्न विथ डैश, choice of technique of production, choice of technique of production. dash is derived dash is derived by the forces of supply and demand. Market economy is derived by the forces of supply and demand. Production possibility curve is based on the assumptions of dash constant technology, dash utilization of resources implies that the actual level of output is less than the potential level of output. Inefficient utilization of resources implies that the actual level of output is less than the potential level of output. उन्हीं का हिंदी में लिया है आपका, ये हिंदी में दे रखा है, हिंदी में कर ले हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट्स। नेक्स्ट है प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व इज डैश टू द पॉइंट ऑफ द ऑरिजन, कॉनकेव। प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व इज कॉनकेव टू द पॉइंट ऑफ ऑरिजन। स्लोप ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व शोज डैश, slope of production possibility curve shows marginal opportunity cost. In dash, the central problem are solved by the central authority. Centrally planned economies, the central problem are solved by the central authority. If price of mango rises, demand will dash. If price of mango rises, demand will fall. If price of petrol goes up, demand for cars will fall. Demand schedule and demand curve give the dash information, same information. Demand schedule and demand curve give the same information. Because of law of diminishing marginal utility, demand curve slopes dash. Because of law of diminishing marginal utility, demand curves slopes downward. ये आपका हिंदी में है, आप इसको पॉज करके हिंदी में रीड कर लीजिए हिंदी वाले। नेक्स्ट है लॉ ऑफ डिमांड एक्सप्लेन्स इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप डैश रिलेशनशिप, इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ओन प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी एंड इट्स डिमांड। एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ अ फॉल इन प्राइस ऑफ अ गुड leads to dash in its demand. Expectation of a fall in price of a good leads to fall in its demand. Fall in its demand. The law of demand does not apply to dash goods. Which type of goods? Giffen goods. The law of demand does not apply to Giffen goods. Market demand curve is a horizontal summation of individual demand curve. मार्केट डिमांड कर्व इज अ हॉरिजॉन्टल, कैसा समीशन है? हॉरिजॉन्टल समीशन ऑफ इंडिविजुअल डिमांड कर्व. पेप्सी एंड कोक आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डैश गुड्स, सब्सटीट्यूट गुड्स. पेप्सी एंड कोक आर एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सब्सटीट्यूट गुड्स. मांग का नियम वस्तु की कीमत और उसकी मांग के बीच व्युत्क्रम की व्याख्या करता है. ये हिंदी में है, आप हिंदी में देख लीजिए हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट्स. With change in price, if demand for a commodity does not change, demand is said to be perfectly inelastic. With change in price, if demand for a commodity does not change, the demand is said to be perfectly inelastic. If proportionate change in demand is less than change in price, then demand is inelastic. If proportionate change in demand is less than change in price, then demand is inelastic. Price elasticity of demand at the midpoint of a straight line downward sloping demand curve is unitary. Price elasticity of demand at the midpoint of a straight line Downward sloping demand curve is unitary. Elastic of demand is case of necessaries is elasticity of demand in case of necessaries is inelastic. ये आपका हिंदी में है, पॉज करके आप हिंदी में करें हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट्स. Production function show the dash relationship between physical input and physical output. Physical input and physical output. Technical relationship. Technical relationship. Long period is period of time when all factors of production are variable. Long period is a period of time when all factors of production are variable. In constant proportions, type production function, scale of output dash with the change in output change. In constant proportions, type production function, scale of output changes with the change in output. Scale of output changes with the change in output. Total output is maximum when marginal output is 0. When marginal output is 0. Average product is output per unit of the variable factor. Average product is output as per unit of the variable factor. Dash is only a long period of possibility. Return to scale. Return to scale is only a long period possibility. Other things remaining constant, if on a given piece of land more and more unit of labor are applied, then after a point of marginal product of labor begins to fall. ये इसके हिंदी में है. इनको आप पॉज करके ब्रेक करके लर्न करें, पढ़ें, लिख लें हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट है मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कर्व कट एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व फ्रॉम इट्स बॉटम. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कर्व कट एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व फ्रॉम इट्स बॉटम. व्हेन average cost curve is falling, marginal cost curve is below average cost curve. When average cost curve is falling, marginal cost curve is below average cost curve. Average cost curve is U-shaped. Average cost curve is U-shaped. Difference between fixed and variable cost is found in short period. Difference between fixed and variable cost. Fixed and variable cost is found in short period. When one more unit of the commodity is produced, increase in cost is called marginal cost. Marginal cost. At higher level of output, average fixed cost tends to fall. Expenditure of raw material leads to variable cost. Expenditure of raw material leads to variable cost. Expenditure incurred by the producer on the purchase of inputs from the market leads to explicit cost. Inputs from the market leads to explicit cost. ये इसके हिंदी में है. Last two, price elasticity of demand is this. And utility derived from an additional unit of a good is called marginal utility. Marginal utility ये मैंने माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के आपके बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट 40 फिलअप्स लिए हैं. आपके कुछ 2-3 फिलअप्स और बचे हैं. जब मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स का आपको फिलअप्स डालूंगी उसमें उनको शामिल कर दूँगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर लिसनिंग एंड वॉचिंग. अच्छे लगे तो लाइक कर देना, नहीं तो लाइक तो तुम लोग करते हो ही नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, जैसा तुम्हारा मन